LangChain is a Python framework used for creating AI applications and AI agents. I have already talked about how you can use LangChain to create an AI agent in my previous video. Today, let's see how you can create AI applications with LangChain. Why LangChain? Well, I'll leave it to you to decide after seeing this video. But when you think about chain, what comes to your mind? Chain means things are connecting with each other, and LangChain help us to create, simple AI applications just like chain by creating them with pipes. The concept of pipe is not new, and if you have ever worked in command line with Linux operating system, you know what I mean. As an example, assume I have a file called readme.md and I want to check if there is anything related to version over here. So I'll say cat readme.md and I gave a pipe sign and I am saying grep version. It will show me wherever the word version is there. In here, the command cat readme.md takes the contents of the file and provided this as an input to the grep. So output of one provided as an input to the another command, and that's how we can create a chain of this. For example, here also I can put another grep and say wherever node is there. Okay, so we can create a chain of things. Similarly, LangChain is used to create the chain of AI applications. Let's see how. So as you can see in this notebook that I'm going to create a LangChain application and I'm going to make use of Ollama, which will be running a GPT OSS local model in my local machine. I don't want to use any OpenAPI keys or Anthropic keys because this is just a demo application, and for learning purposes this works well. All the open source model works well. For a specific purpose, you can decide based on your organization policy as well as requirement. And I'm including some of the prerequisite that is needed to be included in this of LangChain. You are seeing one warning that Pydantic saying that it is not compatible with 3.14, the version which I am using. Somehow it works perfectly. I don't know why this warning is coming, but I didn't spend any time on that. Now, here is the problem statement, what my application looks like. So what my application does is that it looks into the email, assume the email I have received from my boss, looked into the sentiment of the email and tells me whether I should continue in the company or quit from the company. Disclaimer, this is just a simple sample exercise. Okay, you should never ever decide about quitting or continuing based on a single email. Okay, so I have created a system prompt. Here is how my system prompt looks like. You are good in deducting sentiment from text messages. Look at the following email text and let me know whether the sentiment of the message is positive, negative, or neutral. Here is the email text. I'll provide the email text from outside and just return the sentiment value as positive, negative, or neutral. Don't give any explanation. This I did to make sure that I get one word answer from my LLM whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. Now this is the prompt I'm going to give it in my LangChain. And to use prompts in LangChain, you use prompt template from LangChain. So I've created a prompt from the prompt template using my system prompt. Now I will have to use one LLM. I have decided to use my Ollama local GPT OSS with the temperature setting of 0.5. Okay, neither too much imaginative nor too much exact. I just want to make sure that it works in a natural way. So this is the line which you will change based on what LLM you want to make use of. You can use any LLM of your choice and you might get different results in different LLM, but with such a simple example like this, effectively all the LLM should work. Now after this, I am creating my first chain that is called chain of sequence. What I am giving here is my system prompt and I am passing the system prompt to my LLM. Remember cat readme.md pipe grep. So output of system prompt goes to LLM and output of LLM I am parsing that output so that I can get a proper string answer. Okay, so I'm creating a chain of sequence. Now I have two email texts with me. One is email text, which is happy and unhappy. In the happy, I have written that I am happy with your email and not at all concerned. Hope the work will be done. Unhappy email, I am very disappointed with the service. This is unacceptable and I'll be very careful the next time. Okay, this is my email. Now, what I am doing is that I am trying to invoke my LangChain, which is going to invoke my LLM to check the sentiment of my email message based on the email text that is provided. So here I am providing the email text as this email text happy. Okay. Remember, in the system prompt, we are taking this email text. So here I am providing chain of sequence with invoke with the email text as happy. Since it is running on my local system, sometimes it takes a few seconds to complete and the result is positive. The sentiment is positive. Similarly, if I change the email text to unhappy instead of happy, and then if I go ahead and see the result, it will tell me that the sentiment of the email is negative, which is very obvious from the email samples I have selected. Now, this is how you can create a very simple minimal chain of sequence in LangChain and invoke for your work. Now I have got my sentiments, but I have to take some actions based on those sentiments. So what I'll have to do is that I'll create a second chain, and for the second chain, the prompt will be, you are an expert in understanding the workplace dynamics. Based on the sentiment of my superior, which is either positive, negative, or neutral, please suggest should I continue or quit. Tell me in just one word, continue or quit. Okay. So I am creating an action prompt using prompt template the same way I did earlier. Now I am creating chain of action sequence similar to chain of sequence, normal chain of sequence which we have created over here. What I am doing over here is that I am taking the action prompt, passing that to the LLM and getting the output. Okay. Now I am calling the invoke with the sentiment. What's my current sentiment right now is current sentiment is negative. Now I'm calling my action prompt with result and I have to see what LLM is suggesting me. It's asking me to quit because the sentiment is negative. Let's go back and change the sentiment to email to happy again. And the result should be positive. Same prompt action. And I'm creating action prompt, chain action sequence. And then I'm taking result action. And here result action is continue because the email is positive and you can continue. Till now, what I did is that I have created two unique LangChain constructs, right? But it's possible for me to combine them also to create a longer chain. And I can do so by creating an overall chain like this and take the final result. Okay, I am passing the email text as unhappy. The result should be what? Result should be quit. So result is quit. What if I change it to happy? Let's see the results and it should be continue. Okay. So what I did is that I created a longer sequence. So here sentiment is coming from this command and action, and the output of this is taking as an input in this. So here calling this comes as positive, negative, or neutral, and this is getting as an input to this. And similarly, you can create even longer chain. Now you don't have to give this prompt LLM str output parser. You can directly use chain of sequence over here and chain action sequence over here just to make it a bit simpler, and the overall result will remain the same. Should give me continue after this finishes, yes. And if I say unhappy, this should tell me to quit after this completes. Okay, it's not dictionary. Okay, so it's unhappy. The dictionary was not correct. So it should ask me to quit. It is asking me to quit. So this is how you use your LangChain framework to create a chain of AI-enabled applications. I'm going to share this workbook in my GitHub page. Do hope and believe that it's absolutely clear to you how you can make use of LangChain to create a bare minimum as well as a longer chain of actions using AI. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will meet again. Till the next time. Goodbye. Take care.